Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that PAAL AI token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, PAAL AI is a Web3 native platform that provides customizable AI assistant and tool for crypto research, trading and community automation, solves crypto complexity. It offers AI powered tools to help users navigate and analyze decentralized systems, tokenomics, and on-chain data. Powered by PAAL M2.0.5, its core is to specialized language model trained on crypto topics and connected to live market data via APIs like CoinGecko. Ecosystem of AI agent. The platform delivers its intelligence through chatbot on Telegram and Discord, a trading terminal, PAAL X, and developer tools. PAAL AI project institution rating is 4.4 and this project audited by Ceritic. PAAL AI token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 998.83 million PAAL token. PAAL token is listed on Binance Alpha, Bybit, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.